when you can love and accept all of yourself with curiosity and the belief that you are enough, you are whole and complete as you are, you can experience ease and freedom. Just like an acorn has all it needs inside to become a strong oak tree, you too have everything inside to live fully into your amazing, empowered, authentic self. Consider an acorn must break through its shell to reveal what's inside and become the tall, strong oak tree. It must root down into the dirt and debris of the earth and reach up to receive from the sun and rain. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sarah Raymond, and I'm honored to be your guide today. As we begin, consider what would best serve you in your practice today. You can choose sitting, lying down, standing in front of a mirror, or even walking outside. Be sure you are in a safe place where your mind and heart can be open and fully embrace this practice. Now I invite you to make yourself comfortable and settled, to recognize the signs of safety. Notice and name a few things in your space to bring your observations into the present moment. If you are choosing to sit or lay down, you can close your eyes if you like. Notice the rhythm of your breath as it is, recognizing how it supports and nourishes you without even thinking about it. To continue settling and balancing, we will move into a balanced or equal breath. You can start with an equal length inhale and exhale for a count of 3 or 4, whatever feels right to you. And after a few rounds, you may allow this to increase in length if it feels right. Begin as you're ready. Breathe in through your nose fully, sending your breath down into your belly. And breathe out completely with ease, either through your nose or your mouth. And continue on your own. Begin to add these words in your mind. Inhale, I am. Exhale, enough. Inhale, I am. Exhale, enough. I am enough. I am enough. Now allow your breath to become natural and relaxed. Take a moment to check in with how you are feeling. What is present for you in your heart? In a moment, I will offer positive affirmation statements. You can repeat them in your mind, or simply listen to my voice as if my words are becoming your words. Allow these statements to sink into your belief system as your own, and feel them as true in your heart and body. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of acceptance. I am worthy of support. I am worthy of vibrant health. I am worthy of a bright spirit. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of strong, healthy relationships. I am worthy of compassion. I am worthy of safety. I am worthy of financial security. I am worthy of joy. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of opportunities. I am worthy of all that I desire. Now, if you are standing in front of a mirror, look into your own eyes and repeat the following to yourself. If you have your eyes closed, you can see an image of your present self or your inner child as you repeat. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of acceptance. You are worthy of support. You are worthy of vibrant health. You are worthy of a bright spirit. You are worthy of abundance. You are worthy of strong, healthy relationships. You are worthy of compassion. You are worthy of safety. You are worthy of financial security. You are worthy of joy. You are worthy of happiness. You are worthy of opportunities. And you are worthy of all that you desire. Take a moment now and feel the words and beliefs in your heart. Embrace how that feels in your body, knowing you are like an acorn and an oak tree. You are enough as you are. Let these words sink in. And allow a gentle smile to build. Raising the corners of your mouth and eyes the slightest bit. Imagine this smile building throughout your entire body, mind, and spirit. Notice how a smile makes you feel. And now to finish as we began, return to equal and balanced breath with these words in your mind. Inhale, I am. Exhale, enough. Inhale, I am. Exhale, enough. I am enough. I am enough. Smile as you bring this practice to a close, and take this belief with you in all that you do today and beyond. When you are ready, open your eyes if they were closed. I believe in you and know you are ready to embody your full potential, just as the strong oak tree. Thank you for practicing with me today. And if you are looking for further support to develop the inner knowing that you are enough, I recommend bookmarking this playlist of all of our practices about this belief, you are enough.